Hey everyone! Welcome to the Desire channel. Today, I've got an awesome AI tutorial for you that I know you'll find super useful. Make sure to like this video and stick with me until the end. Exploring Ideogram AI. First, let's search for Ideogram AI on Google. Click on the first link that appears, and it will take us to the website. Now, we're inside Ideogram AI, which is an AI-powered image generation tool. Here, you can see some of the images that have already been created using this AI. To get started, we need to sign up. You can register using either your Google or Apple ID. I'll sign up using my Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll notice that you get 10 free credits per week to generate images. If you want more, you can check out their monthly, weekly, or yearly plans right here. Each plan has its details listed below, so if you like the tool, you can subscribe accordingly. Now, here are some images created with Ideogram AI. You can click on any of them to view them in a larger size, and the prompt used to generate each image is displayed next to it. This can help you understand how to structure your own prompts effectively. I'll paste my own prompt into this section. I'll also include it in the video description so you can use it too. Customizing image settings. There's a magic prompt feature that can enhance your input prompt. You can adjust the aspect ratio. I'll set mine to 16:9, desktop size. Here, you can choose the visibility either public or private. The AI model used is the latest version, Model 2.0. There's also a color palette option, but I'll leave it on auto. You can select an art style, but I'll keep it on automatic as well. Now, let's hit generate. It takes a few moments for the AI to process the image, so let's wait. And here we go. The AI has created 4 high-quality images in desktop resolution. Look at how stunning they are. You can click on each image to view them in detail. They are beautifully crafted. To download your image, just use this button here. You can then use it in your designs, posters, or any other projects. Using DeepSeek AI for prompt generation. To create better prompts, I use DeepSeek AI, a powerful new chatbot that launched just a month ago. It's a very advanced AI tool. Let's go to its website and click Start Now. This is the DeepSeek AI interface. It's beautifully designed and super easy to use, just like other chatbots. By activating this option, you can use its online mode. There's also a deep sync mode, which is based on the Arwin model. In this mode, the AI takes its time to think and generate more accurate responses. I'll start by saying hello, and as you can see, it responds instantly. Now, I'll ask it to write a prompt for me. Let's say I want an image of a carrot-shaped creature spraying perfume, with the word desire written on the bottle. Here, DeepSeek has generated a detailed and creative prompt for us. We can now copy and paste this into any AI image generator. Now, let's try activating Deep Sync mode and submitting the same request again. You can see that it's processing the request and analyzing all the details before generating a refined response. And here it is. A perfectly structured prompt that we can use directly or tweak for better results. Wrapping up. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future content. Take care, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.